up my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's Lizzie Atkins here as always, and now you know, and I'm back with another bang. Today is another Gele tutorial video, so let's get cracking. I'm still using the same Gele. Please don't come for me, okay? It's another style you can tie, splitting your Gele. So get your Gele and split it into half. This time around we're starting in the front. So you split it in half, you get your middle point, you get that Gele and you put it in the middle. Okay, get that middle point and we come to the back. Putting everything else in. Then and we cross over. Okay. You're gonna twist and then grab the edge, the first edge, which is this one. We're gonna pin it to a secure place here. Back. And the same thing here. Grab it, so it's tight enough. You twist, not using the part with the half, so you don't lose the tightness. And you just pin it right at the back. Don't go any further than the back because you still have a lot of work to do with the rest of the Gele. So you get your pin and you secure it. And then we come here. And we go over. And make sure it's inside, inwards. Secure it. And I do the same twist. And I put it over each other. Over each other. So, because I wouldn't want the top and the bottom to move, I get my pin. So the top into the bottom. And then get another one on the other side. Top. So now, these two are not going to shift. They're in place. So they're not going to shift anywhere. So now, all I have to do is come to the back and I always close it up. Although you can't really see the back, you don't want it to look messy and you don't want things sticking out. So fold the envelope that way, fold it up like an envelope, and voila, you've got your Gele. As always, I like my Gele lift back a little bit. So here is another beautiful style for my beautiful people. Like I always say, what's up my beautiful people? Hey, today's another beautiful style. 360, let's go. Okay guys, this is the end of this tutorial. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell, that's very important. Hit the notification bell so you can always get a notification every time I, Lazy Atkins, upload new content, because I will be dropping video back to back, tutorial, vlogs, fun video, beauty video, because look at his face, look at his face, it's slain. His face is slain. I am slain. Okay, alright. I'll be dropping beauty videos. So make sure you're glued, as I spoke, glued to my channel. For now, remain blessed and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Let us do this again. Yes, we are back again. I am a star. They won't kill my shine. I wanna know.